Hi, I'm Jasmine. Today's video is another work from home chic. I've been at my new company for a few months now, and I think my coworkers think I only have like 3 shirts, but I swear I have more than that. I just have like 4 black turtlenecks and they all literally look the same on camera. Also, a special thank you to Tony from the Costa collection for sending me these pieces to help me up my non-turtleneck game. There's basically 2 criteria for what I consider work from home chic. One is it's cute on top, and the second is that it's comfy on the bottom. And it's important to me that it's cute on top because people will see me through Google Hangout meetings and also Zoom meetings. As for bottoms, I also want to be really comfortable, and I also mentioned in my previous video that I like to sit crisscross applesauce. So to be able to do that, it's also really important that my pants are comfortable and can sustain that type of movement. To give you a bit of context, I actually do have a standing desk, but I do find it hard to stand for 8 to 10 hours of the day. And when I do sit down, my feet and legs are really cold, so I like to sit crisscross applesauce because it lets me be warmer. And yes, I do wear socks, and they're still cold even when I wear socks. So I've prepared 8 outfits that I'm going to wear for the next few weeks just to spice things up a bit. And from my experience, they fit these 2 criteria. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you so much to Acosta Collection for sending me their La Cruz pant and also the layering tank. I really loved the fabric on the layering tank, and I felt like it was so versatile and so easy to style with multiple items. As for the La Cruz pant, I thought the craftsmanship there was just impeccable. Along with the layering tank, I felt like the pants were super easy to match with everything in my closet. Like I could dress them down or I could wear them anywhere around the house. I'm really excited to continue to wear these two items along with the rest of the outfits that I have picked out for the next few weeks. I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Thank you, bye bye!